In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add meeting infos in Goodday. We'll walk through this process from the very beginning, so even if you're new to Goodday or only use it occasionally, you'll be able to follow along easily. The goal here is to make sure your meetings are clearly documented and easy for your team to find later. First, start by opening Goodday in your browser and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the main dashboard, the first thing you need to do is select a workspace. Think of a workspace as the main container for a team, project, or department. Look for the list of workspaces, usually on the left-hand side or in the top navigation bar, and click on the workspace where this meeting belongs. Choosing the correct workspace from the start helps keep your meetings organized and ensures the right people have access. After you've selected your workspace, navigate to the section dedicated to meetings. This might appear as a meeting tab or an item in the workspace menu. Click on Meeting to open the area where all meetings related to this workspace are stored. If you manage multiple teams or projects, this view is especially useful because it keeps everything related to your meetings grouped in one place. Next, from the list of meetings that appears, select the specific meeting you want to add information to. This could be a recurring meeting, a one-off session, or a planning call. Scan through the list and click on the meeting name that matches what you're looking for. If there are many entries, you can often use search or filters to quickly narrow it down. Opening the meeting will bring up all of the existing details, such as the title, date, and any previous notes. Once you're inside the selected meeting, look for a plus sign, often labeled or positioned where you can add new items. This plus sign is your main way to add more information. Click on the plus sign to start entering your meeting infos, such as agenda items, notes, decisions, or follow-up tasks, depending on how your Goodday setup is configured.